you know what happened yesterday? Oh my gosh, I was so totally like, hello, what are you talking about? And then she was like, oh my gosh. They were like, OMG. And then all of a sudden this lady started talking to me. I'm like,
oh my
you
gosh.
don't know
like,
what you're talking about.
This guy at
my
school,
God.
like,
And then he was
totally
like,
called me,
like,
and then he said something weird. I was like, why would he call me if he thinks that I'm weird?
And he was like,
yeah,
hello.
Only I know. Isn't it so weird? Oh yeah, it's that guy, and then
oh my gosh.
Yeah,
what are you talking about?
Yeah.
She's like, hello.
He's like so
She's like
weird.
talking on the phone, and I can't hear you.
Yo,
put it down.
Why don't you?
Because I'm not rude. Hello. Oh my God. Yeah, I know. She's so weird. She's got this weird.
Oh my gosh, she's like so
and then she's got this like pearl necklace that does not match with her outfit.
Oh my gosh, this girl lets me have like a balloon stuck to her head.
And she's talking about me right now.
She is talking about me right now.
See, told you.
And she.
Sorry, I'm listening to her.
She's so rude.
Yeah, well, she said that I'm rude. Well, so she's a rude.
Oh my gosh, you should like see the balloon on her head. It like says class up to 7-9, and it's so weird.
But keep it down. I'm trying to read.
Why don't you move somewhere else?
Because this is like my favorite spot, and I got here first.
Who cares? No, see what she's doing? She's back talking to me.
Oh my gosh, yeah? Hey, I know. There's this girl next to me, and she's like, oh, she's so rude.
You know, this girl next to me, she has
has
no consideration whatever. She like offends me so much.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Okay, bye.
Bye. No, Susie, don't leave him.
No, he can't die.
And then Susie goes off on a journey alone into the world.
You're right for once. Nobody would call that girl a girl.
Oh my gosh, oh no. No, he didn't.
Oh my gosh.
He did not come back to her with flowers. And not even her favorite.
He did not just that.
And he brought chocolate. That isn't her favorite. And that is so rude.
Oh my gosh, that dog is so out of season. I mean, it's a pug. I mean,
oh my gosh, yeah. Oh. She's gotta leave us. Oh,
puppies for free? I don't think so. You better pay some money. Give it here.
Well, that's enough for you for now. I'm gonna come. Send it back. Hey, JC, it's me. Oh, there's me.
Okay.